1/3 of the world's most fertile soils, tourism, century-old traditions of agriculture, and powerful potential, Ukraine is one of the most promising countries in all spheres of economy, in which agribusiness is developing rapidly. Odesa State Agrarian University trains specialists in various fields, but all they are united by this desire to create, modernize, and develop agribusinesses and new technologies. Gardening, landscaping art, microgreen growing, vertical farming in cities, phytosanitary, enology, plant health, and even growing crops. What do these activities have in common? All this knowledge is given to Odesa State Agrarian University in the field of agronomy, and a student in this sphere have 3 areas to choose from: plant, health, and their protection, horticulture and viticulture, and classical agronomy. Here you can even become a florist, top-rated specialist nowadays. After all, education in this area is actively developing worldwide. Our life without younger brothers, pets, and farm animal is impossible. Classical veterinaries of our university treat them, provide emergency surgical care, and consult about disease prevention. Also, they can choose the direction of the veterinary and sanitary control of livestock products, become a veterinary expert, and ensure control over the provision of quality and food safety. Not everyone succeeds in organizing the proper care and training of our pets. Therefore, the demand of specialists in the sinology of Odesa State Agrarian University is growing every day. After all, a person creates an incredible relationship and tandem with the dog for entire life. In this area, you will also learn the basics of training to protect the life, ensure the safety of society, and become a specialist in grooming and canine therapy. The technology of livestock production and quality control, all this is acquired by our technologists by your own choice. You can take the course of cynology, aquaculture, beekeeping, feed technology, feed additives, breeding. In the process of learning, you will create craft cheeses, ice cream, elite sausages, and thanks to your knowledge and skills, people will see in the markets and shop quality, proven, and environmentally friendly products. Creation of maps and GPS navigator, space monitoring of territories, building and construction, mining, landslide prevention, and observation of changes in the Earth's crust. All this cannot be done without an expert surveyor. Land management, ecological attitude to nature, purchase and sale of land, and rational organization of the territories are impossible without highly qualified land management specialists. You will master both of the above-mentioned professions in the field of geodesy in the land management at Odesa State Agrarian University. Automatization of manufacturing and processing of agriculture products, modernization of equipment, and implementation of new technologies help bring the industry to a new level. The field of agroengineering does not stand still. Our students know the technology of manufacturing and repairing the machine parts, gain knowledge about various energy sources, gas and water supply, and understand IT technologies for the modernization of agriculture machinery. Considering consumer demand, adjusting and setting the pace for success business development for an economist of Odesa State Agrarian University, this will not be a problem. Classical economists of our university are ahead of time because everything that humanity needs tomorrow is written by economists today. The field of management in Odesa State Agrarian University provides an opportunity to manage enterprises and projects, develop strategies, create and train teams, achieve strategic and tactical goals of an organization. accountants as the future most important persons in the enterprise, master knowledge of determining for the effectiveness of the management decisions, understanding the complex finance relations at the international level, and know how to be aware of every aspect of the company's business process. Odesa State Agrarian University is one of the leading agriculture education institutions in the south part of Ukraine, a multidisciplinary educational, methodological, and scientific center. And all this is supported and actively developed thanks for the persistent work of all teams, which is led by Director of the University, Michael Barshkov.
I'm grateful for opportunity to represent Odesa State Agrarian University and want to assure you that here you will open up a space of unlimited possibilities for learning artificial intelligence technologies in all fields that our university offers, for making experiments on university land plots which will provide agriculture practice, for traveling to other universities in Europe as a member of international academic mobility process, for becoming a practical veterinarian, agronomist or network farmer, technologist, engineer or economist already in the third year of education. Indeed, in Odesa State Agrarian University from the sixth semester it is possible to complete all practical classes at enterprises. You can spend your free time on the seashore, relax, get inspired by Odesa and Ukraine, and get a positive energy for developing the interesting world of our popular profession. Welcome to Odesa State Agrarian University.
We process, treat, invent. We create everything natural that surrounds you. Join the friendly family of OSAU.